Two tropical threats stirring in the Atlantic. What could it mean for the southeast? The Atlantic is heating up, and all eyes are on a brewing weather showdown that could shape up to be a high-stakes week for the U.S. East Coast. Right now, Tropical Storm Humberto is swirling in the west-central Atlantic. While it isn't an immediate danger to the United States, Humberto is gaining strength and could explode into a powerful hurricane this weekend. By early next week, it's expected to drift northwest, staying west of Bermuda. But the real story may lie in what's developing behind it. A new player in the mix, Invest 94L, another system currently tagged as Invest 94L, is already making waves across the northern Caribbean. Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and Hispaniola are dealing with torrential rain that raises the risk of flash flooding and landslides, especially in mountainous regions. What makes this disturbance more concerning is its potential. Conditions near the Bahamas will be favorable for strengthening as the weekend approaches. By then, it could officially earn the name Tropical Storm Imelda, and possibly more. The setup for a complex scenario. The situation becomes tricky because we're not just watching one storm, but two. Humberto and the system likely to become Imelda may dance around each other in a rare meteorological phenomenon. Their eventual paths depend on several factors: timing, strength, distance, and even the broader jet stream pattern over the U.S. Here's how it could play out. If Imelda forms as a weaker storm, Humberto might simply pull it out to sea, sparing the U.S. coast from a direct hit. If Imelda grows stronger and moves quickly, it could resist Humberto's influence and carve its own path, one that might bring it closer to the southeast coast. If they get too close, the storms could interact in what's known as the Fujiwhara effect, spinning around each other in a kind of atmospheric dance. Depending on how this plays out, Imelda could be slung harmlessly away or nudged dangerously closer to land. The role of the jet stream. On top of this, the broader weather pattern over the U.S. is adding even more uncertainty. A dip in the jet stream across the east coast could act as a steering wheel, guiding whichever storm develops into the southeast. If Humberto shifts eastward, the jet stream could take control and pull Imelda right toward the Carolinas. As of now, Monday into Tuesday looks like the critical window for any potential impacts on the southeast. The Carolinas sit at the highest risk zone, but until the track becomes clearer, the entire region should keep watch. What's at stake? Even if Imelda never makes direct landfall, the storm's tropical moisture could still feed into the southeast and mid-Atlantic. That could mean days of heavy rain, flash flooding, and travel disruptions early next week. For now, the situation remains a puzzle. Forecasters warn that confidence in the storm's exact path won't solidify until Friday or Saturday, leaving little time for preparation if it does make a beeline for the coast. One thing is certain: the forecast is going to keep changing, and staying alert over the next few days will be crucial.
For full video, click related link below or like and subscribe this channel.